right, we're here. They're playing right now. Almost died getting here. There was a crazy storm we had to drive through to be able to get here, but we eventually got here, so I'm glad we're here. I also snapped my phone in half, so I had to go to Verizon and get a new phone, or not a new phone, but just like a temporary phone basically until I get back to Oregon, and then figure out something else from there. But so that's what's going on. And also, yeah, we're playing in a bowling alley. Didn't know it was a bowling alley, but we're here, so they're doing good. All done. Packing up right now, getting ready to head to the air bear and burr. So I'm so tired. I haven't done this in a few days, and so I feel like I'm just not used to it, but I'm also feeling like I just haven't really gotten really good sleep this whole trip. My body's just feeling it, you know? So I'm excited to kind of get back to, I see you. And that's about it, you know? I'll kind of show you guys the place once we get there. Wow.
The back of the shop.
You ain't never seen backstage like
Whoa.
that.
We got back storage freezers back here. The green room practice area is supposed to be back there, but we got it closed for now. We got the machines. They move sometimes. We got the first wheel here, which when the pins come in, they kind of jut into the little gutter areas.
Yeah.
And those will just go straight up. They'll be sent into the machine back there. There's like this little moving gate piece that keeps each pin in. And then when it needs new pins, it literally just drops them in.
Wow.
Yeah. And then you've got the ball return, which is this wheel back here. It just literally zips up down a little pathway and then comes out. You can see it over here. There's this little doorway here, and it'll just move the thing as the balls come through.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Super neat. Nice. Thanks,
And
man.
then, yeah, this is literally, it's all those machines all the way down. If you want to take a full walk through it, that's cool too.
You know, think about it. Have any of you guys actually ever touched like a real bowling pin?
Maybe at Goodwill.
Yes.
I haven't. Yes. Touch it with me. With our powers combined, we can be mediocre bowlers together.
This is why I like you here.
Yeah.
That's a better word for it.
That's pretty sick. Yeah, this is the cool view.
Yeah, there you go.
Wow.
Load it up.
Yeah. Ooh. Beautiful king-sized bed we got here. But I think we're gonna hit the sack here. It's my charger, by the way. It's my necklace. It's around my neck. So, but we're gonna hit the sack here. So, I'm gonna say goodnight. And, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you in the morning. We're gonna be